Yo, what's up everybody? So I know why you clicked on this video. It's because you want to make a lot of money really fast. And actually right here I have the way, I have the strategy. So it's basically a Bitcoin prediction bot that will show you when to buy up and when to buy down. Okay, so I'm just going to show you this, and I'm also going to show you how you can get this for yourself. Alright, so if we go over to the Bitcoin 5-minute up or down, as you can see, it's actually it's accurate to the price on the bot. So as you can see, it's 66,000 here. If we go to here, it's the same exact. Right now the bot is predicting that it's down, it's going down. So this is the perfect time to buy. You should buy right here, you should buy down. Anyway, I'm gonna show you right now how to get it. So what you gotta do is you gotta click the link in the description and go to the Discord server called Polyvision. Okay? Right here, you're gonna go to info. Once you're in info, you're gonna go over to this link called polyvision.store. Click on that, and over here it's gonna show you exactly what to do. So as you can see, we have some people here who actually bought this, and this is the amount of money they made, which is actually crazy. So if I was you, I would get this really quick. So you're just gonna scroll down and you're gonna press subscribe, and after you're here, you can just do one here, $29. It's a steal, not gonna lie. And then you're just gonna press subscribe now. Once you come over here, you're gonna see this page, and you're gonna fill out all your details, and then right here you can put in a discount code. So I actually have a discount code. You can just type in Benny100, and this is basically gonna give you 10% off, which is amazing. So I mean, I would use this right now. Now after you did that, you can pay with PayPal. Right now this is the only thing you can use, but eventually there will be more ways to pay. So after you bought it, it's actually gonna give you a subscriber role in the Discord server automatically, which basically means that you can now use the bot. So what you want to do after that is go to bot access. Once you did that, you're actually just gonna press on this link, and it's gonna bring you to the actual website where you want to start doing this. Anyway, you see you have to put in a code here. So this is very simple. You're just gonna go to general, anywhere, whatever you want, and just do /get access. After you did that, it's gonna give you a code. This is your code right here, and you're gonna just copy and paste it inside and continue. Boom. And as you can see, I'm logged in, and here's the website, and you can actually just see the predictions. So it tells me right here, buy down, and it's actually predicting it. Look, it's going down right here. This bot actually predicts 4 minutes before the things even happen, which is amazing. So it's gonna work most of the time. Come join the Discord server and let's make some money, guys.